How to transfer money from Grab wallet to a bank account in Malaysia. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from Grab wallet to a bank account in Malaysia. First, launch the Grab wallet app on your phone. Now tap the Finance tab at the bottom navigation bar. You need to activate your wallet in the first place. To do this, tap the Let's Go button. Next, enter your full name and go to the next page. After activation, tap the Transfer option. Now select Send to Bank Account and choose the bank account you want to transfer. Ultimately, add the amount you wish to transfer. Review details and confirm the transaction. Finally, you will receive a confirmation message once the transfer is successful. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.